So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to add your Threads profile link to your Instagram profile so that your Instagram followers and people who look at your Instagram profile can find you on Threads easily. So what you want to do is go to Threads and then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That opens your profile page, and then tap on Share Profile, and from the menu tap on Copy URL. So that's going to copy your profile link to the clipboard, and then now you can exit out of that and then go to Instagram, launch Instagram, and on Instagram again tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page, and then tap on Edit Profile. Now let me just skip this, not now. On the profile editor page, you want to go to where it says links, tap on that, and then you can either add a link or you can replace the one that's currently there. Let me go ahead and add external link. Now what you need to do is go to the URL section, because this is where we are going to paste our link. Okay, so go to URL, tap on that, and then tap on it again until this menu appears, then tap on paste, and that's going to paste your Threads link there. You can see threads.net/mythreads username, and then you can give that link a title. Let's call it Threads, and then tap on OK, or this check mark in the top right corner, and that's going to save your link as Threads, as you can see. So now when you go back to your profile page, make sure you save changes. And so now on your Instagram profile, users can now come to the link section, tap on the link. It's going to show them all the links available, and what you want to do, they can now tap on the Threads link. That's going to take them to your Threads profile. And that's basically how to add your Threads profile link to your Instagram bio or Instagram profile. Thanks for watching, and good luck.